Nokian Tyres is continuing the expansion of its Hakka product portfolio with a new family called Nokian HakkaBlue. This is a continuation of the Nokian HakkaGreen concept unveiled a year ago. In this new Nokian HakkaBlue family, as in the Nokian HakkaGreen range, we are introducing products for several speed categories. The speed categories are V and W. In other words, from 240 to 270 km per hour. Nokian HakkaBlue products have thus been designed for cars with a slightly better performance. In developing these new products, we used a high-speed camera to study the efficiency of the tread pattern on a wet surface. And we developed several elements for the tread pattern, through which we were able to improve the tyre's wet grip. Wet grip and aquaplaning have received much attention in both the new tread pattern and the new tread mixture. The new dry touch suction tube siping and the new horizontal groove-shaped shoulder areas guarantee a safe drive on a wet road surface. When driving in the wet, the new dry touch siping leads the water between the surface and the road to the tyre's main grooves. This means that the tyre gets a better grip from the drier driving surface. Thanks to the new siping shape, the tyre's grip when worn is also better, because as it wears, the mouth of the new dry touch siping expands. So-called deep grooves were designed in the horizontal shoulder grooves. In other words, the horizontal groove volume was increased by shaping the sides of the groove. In this way, the groove is able to store more water, which improves the aquaplaning characteristics of the tyre. The new tread mixture, a compound of silica and pine oil, tailored for the VW category, also works safely at very low temperatures, and thus ensures good wet grip even at high speeds in rapidly changing Nordic temperatures. Naturally, good high-speed characteristics are required for higher speed category tyres. These include good control, logical handling, and a precise steering response. The new structural solutions of the Nokian HakkaBlue tyres and the new tread pattern have been tailored to meet the most demanding speed-related challenges. The tread pattern is the so-called inside-outside type, in which the outer shoulder is more rigid and supported by stronger pattern blocks in comparison to the inner shoulder. On the inner shoulder, the horizontal grooves have been cut more open, which ensures effective flow of water away from between the tyre and the driving surface. This water flow is also improved by 4 circumferential wide polished main grooves. The polishing of the grooves also gives a stylish look to the new product. The shoulder areas are supported by 20-degree inclination angles on the sides of the grooves, which support the tyre particularly when cornering. The tread structure also targets as precise a steering response as possible, as well as fast and accurate manoeuvrability. A strong centre rib supports the central area, and a slightly more rigid rubber compound is used under the tread in its central area, which improves the tyre's stability and steering response. Comfort was improved with the golf ball tread pattern at the side of the main groove, taken from the HakkaGreen tyre. Through this design, it's been possible to eliminate the high noise spikes caused by the air passing through the tyre's groove, and the overall noise level of the tyre was reduced to a pleasant level. The design also cools the tyre's tread while driving, which guarantees better durability. Naturally, in the design of the new product, the overall environmental friendliness started by the HakkaGreen family was also taken as a model. The rolling resistance of the new product has been pushed to the very top of the speed category in question. It's a tough challenge because at the same time, the tyre's speed endurance up to 270 km per hour must be ensured with a strong and durable belt structure. Through a novel rubber compound and the new tread pattern, it has been possible to further reduce rolling resistance. This naturally means reduced fuel consumption and lower CO2 emissions. Using the pine oil, we were able to reduce the friction between the molecules, and thus reduce the overall temperature of the surface of the tyre. The tread of the new tyre naturally has the DSI, driving safety indicator, patented by Nokian tyres. This shows the tyre's groove depth and, in the bead area, an information field where the correct pressure level and location of use can be entered when the tyre is fitted. The HakkaBlue family has a comprehensive range of sizes. 21 sizes starting with 15 inches and ending with 17 inches. All sizes are also marked XL, meaning that the tyres have the highest possible load-bearing capacity. The new product will hit the market in spring 2012. We will sell it in our key markets, the Nordic countries and Russia.